Michelle Romano here with the Elite Home Sales Team at RE/MAX Professionals. I'd like to welcome you to our new listing located at 6807 Castlepoint Lane in Castle Pines, Colorado. This 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom residence is nestled in the neighborhood of Forest Park, where you are surrounded by gorgeous pine tree views. Just under 5,000 square feet, you will find a gorgeous gourmet kitchen, a spacious primary suite, and a walkout basement. I'll let the house speak for itself, but let's take a look around. Don't miss out on the opportunity for this to be your new home. Feel free to join me this Saturday between 2 and 5 for our open house. Otherwise, give me a call and I'd love to set up a private showing. See you soon.